Have you ever wondered where the external coolant leak was actually leaking from? And did you ever have the money to actually replace the gasket altogether? Or have the time even? Well, today I'll be showing you the cheap and easy way for only $25 to fix a radiator or a block, coolant leak by BlueDevil. So first things first, to keep pressure out of the system with the cold engine, you gotta unscrew the radiator cap and drain enough antifreeze, or if the vehicle has drained enough antifreeze for you already, but if you already have full radiator, just drain about 8 ounces worth. I say I've done that already. And then start the engine up. Sorry, I forgot to do a visual image of the product. Alright. Then turn your heater to its maximum setting. For mine, my blender was actually stuck on defroster and feet, so that's all it's got. Now maximum. Alright. I have just now taken the cap off because I only have one hand because I cannot find my bipod. Alright, so here's the deal. It also says to pour very slowly. It should take about a minute, it says. Hopefully I've actually taken enough of the antifreeze out. Looks like I actually didn't take enough out because I thought it was first said 6 ounces. That turns out it says 16 ounces. My fault. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to come back to that then, because that's not gonna work. I'll come back to that. I'll finish off the bottom in just a bit. Now, I also might just do a cold air intake. The oiled air filter cleansing. Yeah, I might just do that, because mine's pretty filtered, as you can see. Yeah, but the BlueDevil should be making your exhaust, make white smoke. Don't know why it does it, but I've heard lots of reviews that it does. Turns out it's true. Doesn't matter. Alright, anyways, that's how you fix, a kind of a cheaper version of a coolant leak fix. Kind of cross my fingers here that it's gonna work. It's made in America, so it should work. Alright. Any other ideas? Because I am completely freaking clueless on these ideas for videos. Not much to do anymore. Yeah, I'm not sure what else to do to show y'all, because I've already got almost everything done. Alright, y'all have a good day. Goodbye.